Okay, here we have problem 4 from our review packet. We are given that angle A is 50 degrees, and we're also given that the side A is 14 units. And the directions tell us to solve triangle ABC using the diagram below. Alright, so this is the diagram you were given. So we need to solve it. So first thing what I'm going to do is I'm going to start putting the information that I know into my triangle. So I know angle A is 50 degrees. Side A is equal to 14. So to solve the triangle, I have to find all given angles, all given sides. So I know I have a 90-degree angle, a 50-degree angle. I need to find angle B. Since we have a 90-degree angle, we know the other two angles are complementary. So to find angle B, I simply have to subtract 50 from 90. These complementary angles add up to 90. So we've got angle B equals 40 degrees. Right, so that's the first part. Oops, that doesn't look too much like 40. Here we go. So angle B is 40 degrees. Now I need to find side B and side C. Alright, and I'm going to use trigonometry here to solve the rest of this triangle. So I'm going to use the given angle that was originally provided, so 50 degrees. The given side I have is 14. I'm going to first find B. So I want to look at the orientation of B to 50 degrees. Where is B related to 50 degrees? Well, it's not opposite. We know it's definitely not the hypotenuse, so it's adjacent. So B is adjacent, and I have to use my given side, which is opposite. So what trig function has the ratio opposite over adjacent? And that would be tangent. So I'm going to use the tangent function of 50 degrees. And we know it's opposite over adjacent. So that's 14 over B. Alright, I need to solve for B, so I need to get it out of the denominator. So I'm going to multiply both sides by B. That will cancel. So I'm going to have B times tan of 50 is equal to 14. I want to solve for B. So I'm going to divide both sides by tan of 50 degrees. These tan of 50 degrees will cancel. Using a graphing calculator or some kind of Texas Instruments calculator, I would recommend the TI-84. There's my little plug. And you will evaluate 14 divided by tan of 50, and you will get 11.75. Or you can round it to 11.8. Not too nitpicky about that. So if you're not getting that answer, please check your mode and make sure you are in degree mode. Alright, so this is B equals 11.8. Alright, the last thing I have to now find is side C. So I'm going to go back to the original angle that was given to me, which is 50 degrees. The original side was 14, so I have opposite, and I'm trying to find the hypotenuse. Alright, so what trig function deals with the opposite side and the hypotenuse? That's sine. So I'm going to have sine of 50 degrees is equal to opposite, which is 14, over the hypotenuse, which is C. Again, I want to solve for C, so I need to get it out of the denominator, so I'm going to multiply both sides by C. And I'm going to get C times sine of 50 equals 14. These C's had canceled. I need to detach sine 50 from C, so I'm going to divide both sides by sine of 50 degrees. The sine of 50 degrees cancels. C is alone. So using your calculator, evaluate 14 divided by sine of 50, and you will get 18.3. So C equals 18.3, and our triangle is now solved.